warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I'm beginning this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Anissa Idul Fauzia and I'm from the English Education Study Program of Universitas Terbuka. In this video, I would like to explain about communicative competence in the classroom, especially the benefit of applying communicative competence for students and how teachers should plan lessons to support communicative competence. Nowadays, learning English is not only about memorizing grammar and vocabulary, but also about how students can communicate effectively in real-life situations. Therefore, communicative competence become very important in language learning. So, let's get started. Have you ever wondered why some students can understand English grammar well but still find it difficult to communicate confidently? First, communicative competence is the ability to use language effectively and appropriately in real communication. It does not only focus on grammar, but also on how students understand meaning, express ideas, and interact with others in different situations. There are several benefits of applying communicative competence in the classroom for students. The first benefit is that students become more confident in speaking English. When teacher gives students opportunities to communicate effectively, students are not too afraid making a mistake. They learn that communication is more important than perfect grammar. The second benefit is improving students' speaking and listening skills. Through discussion, conversation, role plays, or group activities, students practice using English in real situations. This helps them become more fluent and understand others better. The third benefit is increasing students' motivation in learning English. Communicative competence are usually more interactive and enjoyable than traditional teaching methods. Students feel more interested because they can express their opinion and use English meaningfully. Another benefit is developing students' critical thinking and social skills. In communicative learning, students often work in pairs or groups. They learn how to share ideas, solve problems together, and respect different opinions. Lastly, communicative competence helps students prepare for real-life communication. English is not only used in the classroom, but also in daily life, education, and future career. Therefore, students need to know how to communicate naturally and appropriately. Next, I will explain how a teacher should plan a lesson to support communicative competence. The teacher should set clear communicative objectives. The lesson should focus on what students can do with the language, for example, introducing themselves, asking for information, or expressing opinion. Second, the teacher should choose interactive activities such as role play, discussion, interview, games, and problem-solving tasks can encourage students to communicate effectively. Third, the teacher should use authentic materials, for example, videos, songs, dialogue, news article, or real-life situation. Authentic material helps students understand how English is actually used in daily communication. And then fourth, the teacher should create a supportive classroom atmosphere. Students should feel comfortable speaking English without fear of being laughed at or judged. Teachers need to appreciate students' effort and encourage participation. Finally, assessment should not only focus on grammar accuracy, but also on students' ability to communicate ideas clearly and effectively. In conclusion, communicative competence is very important in language learning because it helps students become active, confident, and effective communicators. Teachers also play an important role in planning meaningful lessons that support communicative in the classroom. So that's all about communicative competence and it's important in the classroom. Hopefully this video can help us better understand how communication-based learning can improve student English skill and confidence. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.